Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use NordWhisper, the newest NordVPN protocol on your Windows device. NordWhisper is designed to help you stay connected on restrictive networks like office Wi-Fi, campus networks, or even airport and hotel hotspots. And before we dive in, quick reminder, if you don't have NordVPN yet, check the description below for an exclusive deal, 74% off plus 4 extra months with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So what is NordWhisper? Basically, it's a protocol built to bypass network filters while still keeping your security intact. It's perfect for places like schools, cafes, or conferences where normal VPN connections often fail. Just keep in mind, NordWhisper doesn't work with features like Meshnet, dedicated IP, obfuscated servers, onion over VPN, or P2P connections. Alright, let's set it up. First, open the NordVPN app on Windows. On the left side, click on Settings, and then go to Connection. Next, under VPN Protocol, click the drop-down list. From here, select NordWhisper. Now simply reconnect. Once the app confirms your connection, your Windows device is using the NordWhisper protocol. So when should you use it? Think of NordWhisper as your go-to protocol when you're on restricted networks. If you're traveling and the Wi-Fi blocks normal VPN traffic, switching to NordWhisper will usually get you back online smoothly. And that's it. Using NordWhisper on Windows is really that simple. If you want to try NordVPN and grab the 74% discount plus 4 free months, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.